Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Welcome to the August installment of the 2021 Craft Vault Collab hosted by Poet Spice. This collab is all about creating projects with older items in our craft vault or our craft stash, or specifically items that we haven't been using or items that we've been hoarding for a while, those types of items. There are a number of talented ladies who are participating in this collab, so make sure you open up that description box to see what they are creating using items from their craft vault. If this is your first time checking in on this collab, please note that this is a year-long collab. We do post on the third Friday of every month, so make sure you come back each month to see what we are creating. And if you check back with me, I create all sorts of wide variety of things. Sometimes I use kits, sometimes I'm using paper pads, sometimes it's just a little flower that's inspired me to create like a composition notebook. So I kind of do all sorts of little things on my channel. And so for today's project, I was actually cleaning my craft room a couple of weeks ago, and I came across a whole bunch of these Anna Griffin card kits. I picked them up at Tuesday morning, and I must have about 6 of these kits. You know, I had some thank you ones, I had some birthday ones, I had some get well ones, some sympathy ones, and so I decided to create a few of the cards. It's kind of one of those things that I kind of maybe forgot about that I had in my stash. And what's really nice about these card kits is that you can actually assemble a card pretty fast if you want, but you can also add another embellishment or a couple of pieces of paper or another die cut to them to make it just a little bit more your own. And so that's what I did with the cards that I'll be showing you guys today. I didn't do anything from this one. This is just one that I had. I put the other ones away. So I didn't use every single card that I had in the card kits, just a few of them. So I'm going to start off with the birthday card ones that I did. And so here was one of the first birthday card ones that I created, and the actual parts of the Anna Griffin kit were, of course, the base, which is the green piece, and then this top layering piece right here, that was part of the card kit. And so what I did is I went ahead and I layered a piece of gold underneath it, and I used a punch on the sides of that, so just to add just a little bit more to it, that's what I did. And then of course then I added all the extra layering that's on the side. I added all the little flowers, and there's some pearls, and I added a little butterfly, some little leaves. I don't know if you call these little stamens or bead embellishments, I'm not quite sure what you call them, but so I added that to it just to make it a little bit more my style, and just to add a little bit more embellishment to it. So this is a birthday card again. And so that's what that one looks like. I did leave the insides blank. I can stamp something when I send it to whoever I give it to. And then the card kit also includes a little coordinating envelope that matches. That one might have came from something else. I probably got a few of those envelopes mixed up. And so here is the other birthday card one. I created this one. I didn't add quite as much embellishments to the side. This one's a little bit quicker and more simple to put together. But again, I added an extra piece of gold cardstock, mirror paper behind it. And then this whole piece right here was part of the Anna Griffin piece. And then I went ahead and layered a flower and some little leaves behind it for that one. And that one, let's look at... So yeah, maybe those ones did come with pink envelopes, I guess. So there was that one. I also created a Get Well one, and so this one again, the base of this card, and then this piece right here was part of the Anna Griffin card kit, and everything else I went ahead and added to it. So I did add a butterfly that I die cut out, and I did put glossy accents on it, gold stickles on the side, and then also some gold gems down the middle, flat back rhinestones. And then in the corner I added a nice little flower spray, and then I also did a little bit of a die cut back there and added some gold leaves to that one. And again, that one is a Get Well card. And the last 4 cards that I created were the sympathy card kit. In these card kits, you get enough to make 4 cards. And so these ones I kept very simple. The only thing I added to all of them are whatever you see, the gold. There's some mirror paper or gold glossy paper. I just kind of tried to use my gold scraps that I had, so I didn't have to cut up like a whole sheet. So I did like some spellbinder die cuts and some border punches on these. Then the only other thing I did is on a few of them, I also added gold stickles to the middle of them. And I might go back in and add gold stickles. I forgot to do it on this one, so I'll do that after I shut the camera off. But I decided to leave these ones pretty much as they were, other than adding that one gold piece to it. First of all, I wanted to keep them flat for mailing, in case I had to send out a sympathy card. And so again, just the only extra piece that I added was that gold paper to it. So there's that one. Here's this one. And that one. And then the final one. And then these ones, I think the envelopes were green on these ones. Thanks again so much for watching. Hopefully you will open up that description box and check out the other ladies who are participating in the collab. And until next time, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and happy crafting.